My name is Vitalie. I'm from Moldova. The university, it's amazing. It's a completely different experience from what I've seen at labs. It's a lot more like hands-on. It's a lot more deeper. Less people, and you get to know a lot more. Um, I mean, the knowledge that he provided us on one-on-one was, completely different. It's not just like, basic, just, touching the surface. It was like specific details about, our business, not just what you can do. Just basically focus on our business. There's a lot I can implement, and a lot I didn't thought I could do, especially with Torsten coming in, and there's a lot of like really good information that will help a lot in the business. It's very supportive. I mean, every time I need some help or I have some question, the community is always there, always ready to help, always ready to share. It's not something like we're a competition. Everybody's like a family, and that's what I like. It's really a big difference. It's so much support, so much ready content, like documents, everything, and yeah, they can provide almost everything you need. I mean, the reason I moved here is because of my family and my dreams. I want to be able to live a lifestyle I want, not just to, struggle 9 to 5 or 6 to 6, as I have it right now. But I mean, the main focus is my family. My mom, just kicked out my dad from the house. He was always having problems with alcohol and stuff, and I said, I'm never gonna be like him. I will do it my own way. I'll take care of my family, and I'll chase my dreams no matter what happens, and I'll do whatever it takes. It's gonna mean a lot. I'm gonna be able to have so much freedom. I'm gonna be able to quit my job to be focused on full-time real estate, and I'm very sure that in a couple of years I'm gonna be able to have complete financial freedom and a lot of free time that I can just spend with my wife, and I can bring my family here, my brother, and I think it's gonna be awesome.